Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is My1 technology. With a growing focus on affordable homes and housing for all, real estate stakeholders are increasingly emphasizing on the use of new and innovative construction techniques. One such technology is My1 shuttering, which is being promoted for its ability to aid mass construction activity. So, what exactly is My1 technology? Historically, the My1 technology or the aluminum formwork system was developed by a European company. Later in 1990, the My1 Company Limited started manufacturing these formworks, hence giving the name My1 technology. There are main three steps involved in My1 construction technique. Number one is setting up the wall reinforcing steel. As we are seeing, the wall reinforcing steel is used to give a structure to the building and support the concrete until they gain half of the required strength. The aluminum formworks are cast around the steel mesh, which is factory made and directly erected on the construction site. The second step is placement of aluminum formwork. Along the wall reinforcing steel, prefabricated room-sized walls and floor slabs are erected. These aluminum alloy slabs are accurately made and are easy to handle spaces for windows, ducts, doors, and other features such as staircases, chadjas are also integrated in these structures. The forms are joined together using the pin and wedge system, which can be dismantled quickly after the concrete structure is set. The third step is pouring the concrete. After casting the forms, high quality concrete is poured. This concrete takes the form and shape of the cast, which is later removed to make way for a structure made entirely of cement concrete supported by wall reinforcing steel. Normally, STC concrete with flow value 600 mm is used to cast the structure. After concrete is poured, the concrete is leveled and finished. Once concrete set, these formworks are de-shuttered. The resulting structure is accurate, smooth, and finished. It has high tolerance and requires no further plastering. As a result, it saves time, effort, and money. The aluminum forms can be reused at least 250 times, resulting in minimum waste from the construction site. This technology has merits and demerits. First, we will see what are all the merits of this technology. Seismic resistance, durable, reduced requirement of skilled labors, negligible labor intensive work, smooth finish, negligible maintenance required, limited wastage, and reduced construction time. The demerits are visible finishing lines, less scope of modification or alteration, required uniform planning, can have contraction cracks,